Play isn't just fun, it's a child's language of learning. And as Muslim parents, we can use this powerful tool to teach values like kindness, prayer, patience, and love for Allah, not through lectures, but through laughter and imagination. Let's start with pretend play. Give your child a mini prayer mat, a Quran cover, even a tiny hijab or kufi for their doll or teddy bear. Then gently say, "Let's teach your doll how to pray to Allah." You're not only introducing salah, but modeling reverence and love for the act. Over time, they begin to see salah as something beautiful, part of life, not just rules. You can use dolls or animal figures to teach adab and akhlaq. Try this. Role-play scenes like helping a friend clean up, saying, "Assalamu alaikum," before entering a room, saying, "Bismillah" before eating. Narrate the doll's thoughts out loud. "I think I should say salam first because that pleases Allah." These stories stick because they're play-powered and emotionally safe. Create your own games around good deeds. Use simple reward ideas like Jannah star every time someone says a kind word, sadaqah points for sharing. Even simple games like spin the wheel and act out a sunnah, giving a smile, making dua for someone, saying Alhamdulillah. These activities normalize the language of Islam in their daily life and connect it to joy. You can also reenact stories from the seerah. Retell the story of the Prophet and the boy with the bird, or the girl who helped her mother by the well. Let your child draw, act, or build the scene with blocks. Then ask, how do you think they felt? What did they do that pleased Allah? This builds not just knowledge, but emotional connection and empathy. Dear Mama, play isn't a distraction from Islamic learning, it's one of its most powerful doorways. Through pretend play, storytelling, and imagination, your child learns that Islam is gentle, that Allah loves kindness, that worship can begin with play, and most importantly, that you are present and connected, leading them by example. So the next time your child picks up a toy, don't dismiss it. Step in, play along, and plant seeds of Jannah through joyful moments. May Allah make our homes places of barakah, and our children lovers of the Deen through play, love, and connection. Ameen. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Subscribe for more Muslima parenting tips.